power of accommodation. Our eye has a very peculiar property that the lens we have, the focal length of this eye, can be decreased or increased, so it is flexible. The lens will become thin when the muscles are relaxed, and this increases the focal length f. So we can see the objects which are at some distance. When the eye lens becomes thick, the focal length decreases, and now we are able to see the nearby objects. So the power of accommodation is defined as the ability of lens to adjust the focal length, to increase or decrease the focal length in order to see distant or near objects. So the maximum distance at which the particular object can be seen clearly is known as the least distance of distinct vision. Say you are able to see 100 meter or 150 meter. This is the least distance of distinct vision. This is also known as the near point of the eye. If you talk about young individuals, the near point is 25 centimeter. And the farthest point to which the object can be seen is known as the far point of the eye. So this can be from 25 centimeter to infinity. For old age people, the lens becomes milky and cloudy, and this situation is known as cataract, and this can lead to complete or even partial loss of vision.